At Mitsubishi Electric, we make sure that you know more than enough about your production process. This is where our traceability system comes into play and gives you detailed information about the parameters used to produce every single product on your production line. That way, if one of your products turns out to have some quality control issues, you can simply scan its QR code and you'll instantly get a detailed readout of its entire production history. Thanks to these in-depth insights, you can find and prevent further mistakes and optimize your production. If that wasn't enough, the system also provides you with effortless data sharing, which comes in very handy if you want to quickly send a report to your client or supervisor. As always, thanks for today and see you next episode.